Hello, my name is Disrael Angelo Cabigon from the SIT2B, and I'm going to demonstrate how to test Ethernet cables. So now, here are some things we needed. RG45. It is used to connect computers into a local area network or LAN. Cable tester. It is used to test the speed and the connectivity of a particular Ethernet cable. Ethernet cable. It is used to connect RG45. Crimping tool. It is used to cut Ethernet cables. So now we will do the crossover cable. First thing we need to do is to cut this jacket into 1 inch using the crimping tool or this one. And now we will arrange these twisted wires. And next we will arrange this into T568B standard. T568B standard is white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, brown. And now let's fix this to make it straight. And now as you can see, it is all straight. Then we will cut this in the edge using the crimping tool. Then make sure when you cut this, it is straight. Be careful when you put this into RG45 and check if the wires na tumuyo. Then next thing we need to do is to crimp this RG45 para mahuot. Then we'll crimp this using the crimping tool. Crimp it tight. And now to the other side. So now it's all straight. Then let's check the T568A standard. The white green, green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, white brown, brown. And then arrange it again to make it straight. And make sure it is all straight. The next, let's put it to the RG45. But before that, let's check the T568A standard for the coding. White green, green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, white brown, brown. And now this is all at the edge. And now let's check if it works. And now we will do the straight through T568A. First, we need to remove this jacket into 1 inch. And then fix these twisted wires. And now let's check the color code of T568A. White green, green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, white brown, brown. Fix this to make it straight. And next, let's cut this using the crimping tool. And make sure it is straight. Put it in to RJ45. And now let's crimp this to make it tight. And then let's do the same thing to the other side. So now let's check if it works. So now let's do the straight through T568B. First, we need to remove this jacket into 1 inch. Then fix these twisted wires. Now let's check the T568B color code. White orange, orange, white green, blue, blue white, green, white brown, brown. The next, we'll fix this to make it straight. And the next, cut the edge using the crimping tool. Put the RJ45 slowly. Just put some design. Then the RJ45. Now let's crimp this into crimping tool. And let's do the same thing to the other side. So now let's check if it works.
Mabitaw yung lingkod ka diha. Ilang ganyan gagat, mga gold bars nila.